have got something really interesting to show you here in Tbilisi, which is this amazing breeze. Join me as I take you on a step-by-step walk across it, and I will show you exactly why it's such a unique landmark. First of all, just look at its structure. Stunningly lit with a beautiful arc design. It is spanning not only a river but a road as well. It is not just a breeze, it's an experience. There is something so peaceful and soothing about being here. But before we dive into the details of the breeze, let me show you something heartwarming. Look at this. Around Tbilisi you will come across several places like this, where people show incredible sensitivity towards pet animals. Their message really touched me. What is that? Who feeds a hungry animal feeds his own soul. If you feel inspired, leave a thank you for them in the comment section below. Alright, now back to the breeze. Let's cross it together. I feel like I am walking alongside you. I love showing the good things in the world, and that's the core mission of this new YouTube channel. You will find vendors selling roses here and musicians playing tunes to set the mood as you walk across. There is even an artist offering to paint your portrait. Imagine capturing your moment right here on this iconic breeze.
See, winds of our fleet is blowing in the winds. The answer is flowing in the winds. The answer, my friends, is blowing in the winds. The answer is blowing in the winds.
well-lit spot. It's a casino. It really adds to the lively vibe of this place. Everyone here seems to be enjoying themselves.
You can say this in the video. Do you want?
What's this?
You can say this in the video.
No.
You can say my audience will come and take your boat ride.
Yes, you can come to boat trip.
This boat ride takes place here.
Yes.
How much does it cost?
The price is 60 lari. We discount 30 lari last price.
Okay, one person 30
Yes.
lari. Okay.
How?
Okay, thank you so much.